Hi friends, it's Friday, September 25th. I hope you're having a great day. I am here to do Friday's reading lesson. I hope you watched yesterday's for reading and math. Today we are going to be looking at sequencing. If you want to take a look at the front cover, it says Friday, September 25th, the video, that's what you're watching. I may have to record it in 2 videos. I had to switch to a different platform, so I only can take 5-minute video. So anyways, this is sequencing. We're going to look at page 13 together, and then you're going to do page 18 on your own. So we're going to take a look and give this a try. So sequencing, that's talking about putting things in order, and we're going to talk about thinking about the order of the story. So we've got sequence and summarize. Summarize means to sum up the story, give the big beginning, middle, and end of the story. So if you want to follow along with me here, I've got sequence. Sequence is the order in which things happen in a story. What happens first, next, and last. Okay? Now sometimes a writer uses clue words, such as first, there's that first, so, then, and at last or last. There's some other clue words as well that authors often use. Now, this says good readers sum up. Summarize. Good readers sum up as they read and remember important events in the order they happen. So you're thinking about the story as you're reading it. What happened in the beginning? What happened in the middle? What happened in the end? Now, let's take a look. Here's the directions. It says read the following passage. Passage is another word for story or text. So here we go. Let's read this story together. First, Cisco raked leaves for Mrs. Ray. He put the leaves into 4 piles on the lawn. Did you see that word? There was a clue word right there. First, he raked the leaves. Cisco could not put the leaves in plastic bags by himself. So, Cisco asked his brother Rico to help. We saw that clue word right there. Rico held the bags open, and then Cisco dumped leaves inside. When a bag was full, Cisco tied it at the top. At last, there it is. At last they were done, and Mrs. Ray gave Cisco $20. Cisco gave Rico $5 for helping. Now, if we go back and sum it up, first, Cisco raked up the leaves. He couldn't do it by himself, so he asked his brother for help. Then they put the leaves in the bags, and finally, or at last, they were done and were paid. I like to get paid too, don't you? So, let's take a look. Directions. Write these sentences in the correct place on the organizer. This is the organizer down here. So let's just read through the sentences so we have an idea of what they say. Cisco put leaves in a bag. Was that the first thing he did? That was way over here. Cisco asked Rico to help. That was over here. Mrs. Ray paid Cisco $20. That was at the end. We know that. Cisco raked the leaves. Now, he raked the leaves. First, Cisco raked leaves. So there we have number 1. So this was our next clue. He asked his brother for help. Which one talks about asking for help? Cisco asked Rico to help. So there's number 2. He got paid. Nope, that was the end. Cisco put leaves in the bag. There we had the then. He put leaves in the bag. And finally, he was paid. Mrs. Ray paid Cisco. So there's number 4. All right, so now I'm going to write these on the line. My video is about to run out. I will start a new one, but you are going to write the sentences right here on the line. Okay, we'll come back.